Tired of non-stop alerts from Chime app? In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to turn off transaction notifications step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So first go to Chime website and click on in the top. Now enter your email and password. Now Chime will give or send you a verification code to your phone for security. Once you get the code, enter it and click verify. And now after login in, all you have to do is click at the drop-down menu in the top right corner, and from the menu all you have to do is click settings, and after that scroll down until you see the notification section. Now find the option that says transaction notification. Just toggle it off and boom, no more alerts every time you spend money. And that's it. You have now turned off transaction notification in your Chime account. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.